Okay, check it out. Everybody could do all that dance that gives you this ass. Okay, are you ready, MP?
Yeah!
Yeah! Woo! Got him there, eh?
Yeah!
Yeah! Got him again.
Yo, you told me, this is my show!
so for everything there is a basic exercise, okay? And the exercise that we are going to do for the robot, okay? Are you ready?
I'm ready!
Okay. Well, man, wake up, brother. Okay, because the robot, there is an exercise, right? And this exercise is very fun and very easy, okay? It's just to see how you can move as slow as you can, as in slow motion, okay?
Yeah.
All right, okay, so we are going to check it out, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, let's get ready.
I'm ready.
Okay,
Come on.
Okay, let's check it out. Okay, move as slow as you can. Slow. As if you're in space. See?
That's right.
Yeah. As if you're in space. You move slow. Slow. Okay, backwards. Slow. Slow. Okay, great. Okay, all right. So from there, as when you're moving slow, okay, over here, Isaac. What, can you see us?
Yeah.
Okay, man, chill.
Chill.
You know what I
Hurry
mean?
up, get this one over with.
Yeah, you know what I mean, man?
Okay, start all over.
Huh?
Start all over. Right.
Yeah.
Do it right.
Okay. So as we're moving in slow motion, when I count up to 4, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. You come up to a stop. A stop. A stop as if you came up to a brick wall. Okay? Okay, as you come up to a stop. Okay, as you're going. Okay, so let's check it out, MP. So we go. You know.
Okay, hold on. Wait till
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. Okay, so as we're moving slow motion.
Okay, y'all be doing when I'm into it. Hey, hurry up.
Yeah, but we're gonna break it down for the students, man.
Hey, hurry up, move it.
You know,
Hurry
so as we move in slow motion, when it comes up to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, you come to a stop. A stop. No, a stop. Okay, so let's check out. Okay, so let's check out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, stop. Stop on the dime. 1, 2, 3, stop. Stop on the dime. 1, 2, 3, stop. Stop on the dime. Okay? So that's the first part. Slow motion, stop. Slow motion, stop. And slow motion, stop. Okay? And now we are going to break down into 2. 2. Okay, that's 1, stop. 1, stop. Okay, so now we're going to break it down to slow, stop. Slow, stop. Slow, stop. Slow, stop. Slow, stop. Slow, stop. You see how very simple it is? Okay, like the basic. Slow motion and stop. 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 It is the basic of the robot. I believe it comes from the exercise of the ancient art that's called Tai Chi. Okay, because with Tai Chi, as we move in, meditation is slow motion, right? And all you have to do is put a stop in there. Slow, stop. Slow, stop. Slow, stop. slow, stop. So, now for the robot, let's review. Slow motion, stop. 4 counts to start off with. Slow, count to 4, and then you stop. And then you take it to 2.
Really? Okay,
You know,
again.
No, these are robots, man, you know.
No, no.
Jeez, man, like,
No,
you know.
I got this. Okay, stop.
Okay, so.
All over again. Here, that, yeah. The whole thing.
No.
Okay, start from the Tai Chi thing.
No.
Yeah, you have to, because I've been doing in the back. When you're doing it, I'm like...
Did he call her mom?
Yeah. She was here one.
Yeah, I heard it. I told him to. Okay, look. Okay, from the Tai Chi.
Okay, cool.
Okay, Tai Chi, right here. Here. Why not?
Okay, let's go.
Right here. Okay, Tai Chi. Remember?
I believe, as a rhythmologist of the robotic scientific notion, I believe that the root of the robot comes from the old ancient art, self-defense, Tai Chi. As you move in slow motion, it is meditation in slow motion. As you move, all you have to do is come to a stop. And as you Tai Chi, move.
Okay, come on, Dad. Don't do that stuff. The scientific no shit. Like what telling that. Do it right. Come on.
How is that right? That is disgusting.
The scientific no shit.
How come this camera's so cheap? Like, where did you buy it? The freaking giant tiger?
No, I got the O double T right here. We from the O double T. You don't even know. We from the 613. Man, y'all can judge me. Look at y'all can judge me. You have to be like this sometimes.
Okay, all right. Keep on keeping on, and don't forget. Just don't forget.
You got out of one line.
Yeah, okay, that's cool.
Y'all can judge me. Look beyond the clothes that you see. A
I
warm
should
out of
just
breath.
The root of the robotic dance, I believe, comes from the old ancient art that's called Tai Chi. As you have noticed in Tai Chi, meditation in slow motion. It comes down to the meditation in slow motion as you try to get as still as possible and still keep on moving on, as in Tai Chi. And all you have to do is just add the little stop, and back again, stop, again, stop, and stop. So, I believe that the root of the robot, a bit of Tai Chi, will go a long way. See you soon on the next lesson.